Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae singer Beres Hammond recently started his tour of the United States and Canada, dubbed Never Ending. The tour started in late July in Connecticut and has also made stops in Baltimore, Cincinnati, Chicago, Boston, Toronto, Brooklyn, Philadelphia, Newark, Huntington, New York, Atlanta, as well as Orlando and Fort Lauderdale, among other cities. The never-ending tour also featured reggae crooner Romain Virgo. Romain's set featured a solid 15-minute performance that included Double Trouble, one of the songs that made Beres Hammond a dancehall force back in the 1990s. He followed with I Feel Good, then went into his hits, I Can't Sleep and Way Too Beautiful. Beres Hammond also gave an exceptional performance during his set. The tour was named after his 2018 album Never Ending, which earned Hammond his third #1 album on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. The album features 14 songs about love and life in collaboration with longtime recording studio partners Willie Lindo, Kirk Bennett, Handel Tucker, Dean Fraser and Robbie Lynn, among others. Never Ending was preceded by One Love, One Life, released back in 2012, and A Moment in Time, released in 2008. Over the span of his 3-decade career, the legend has obtained 8 top 10 hits on the Billboard Reggae charts, including In Control, Love from a Distance, A Day in the Life, Music is Life, and The Ultimate Collection, Beres Hammond. Now, Alex A-Game recently gave back to his community of Woodstown in Discovery Bay, St. Anne in a big way. A-Game hosted the second staging of his back-to-school treat and fun day, which saw community members participating in games, activities and giveaways while indulging in food and entertainment. The children of the community also received back-to-school supplies. The real and true singer says his treat was a dream come true as he aims on making a difference in the community of Woodstown. Alex A-Game is currently working on his new EP. He released a track dubbed Litty, which will be featured on the project. On the track, A-Game shares his gratitude while speaking on challenges he faced and how he overcame them. The Go Harder singer is also gearing up for his upcoming tours. No release date has been made for the EP, however, the artist is already booked for a seafood festival in October, and a Germany tour is also pending for Alex A-Game. Reggae artist Kabakov Pyramid has released the anticipated video for his track, Natural Woman. That's me. The track is the 6th single from Kabakov Pyramid's debut album, Contraband. The video depicts a variety of black women in different shades embracing and loving their natural beauty. Kabakov Pyramid recently wrapped up his summer tour with the Bebel Rockers, which kicked off in July. The well-done singer is now gearing up for his Reggae Music Japan tour, which kicks off on September 14 this year. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran, your Natural Woman. Thank you for watching.